In your dashboard, a blue tick shows your server is created. Click on Sites in the left sidebar to start adding your websites. Enter your site details like title, URL. Select the server that you created. Choose the type of site that you wish to build. Choose the language of your site. Click on the Next Step button to review your site setup. You also get the option to do your FTP and database setup yourself. Click on the Request Migration button to transfer your existing website to WPOven. Click on the Add Site button to add your website. Wait for a minute for all site installation. Click on the Action button to visit your website setup page. From this dashboard, you can manage your site.